I think it's time to reveal our first two names dito sa ating listahan. Excited na ba kayo? So syempre, kailangan yung magpapangalan, parte rin ng greatest players list. So Boshoni, take it away. Say the first name of our next 10 sa ating PBA greatest.
Without further ado, let's bring in the first name of the newest member of the PBA greatest 50 players in history. And he's no other than yung pare Nelson the Bull Asaytono. Yes, sir!
Much deserved. The Bull Nelson Asaytono played from 1989 to 2006. Played for Swift Sunkist, San Miguel, Pacola, and Red Bull. 7-time PBA champion, 2-time best player of the conference. One of the most purely talented individuals in the entire history of the PBA.
Hindi lang yung talented. Pag-usapan din natin yung lakas ng Nelson. Nakasama ko sila during our RPO.
Anong year?
86.
Hindi ka pinapakala.
So nakita ko kung paano maglaro si Nelson. Pero never ko siya nakita nag-weight saddles. So yung sabihin ko,
Natural lang talaga. Natural lang talaga.
Diba?
Pang-ibang usapan niya tayo.
Ang point namin sa player, yung excellence in Nelson sa PBA, yung tugad pang bata.
Yes.
Kasi yun lang nakuha ni Coach na kung nagka-30 rebounds sa PBA.
Okay, sino ba ang sasama kay The Bull Nelson Asaytono? Mr. Benji Paras, may studio arrest.
okay, ituloy na natin ang isa hanggang susunod na pangalan ng mga kasama sa PBA 50 greatest players. I see Jeffrey Cariaso.
The Jet.
The Jet, of course, unang sumikat as a member of the Alaska franchise, played from 1995 to 2010. Played for Mobiline, Tanduay, and Coca-Cola. Grand Slam champion. Part of his 8 championships, the Jet, Jeffrey Cariaso. Yan po ang ating pangalawang miyembro sa susunod na 10 in our PBA greatest players. Now, because